Hi, it's Brett, the herbalist, and I just love tomatoes. I've been using heaps of tomatoes in my recipes over the last few years, and so I decided to plant some tomatoes. So I've planted 6 plants here. Been doing this for a couple of years now, and it's just amazing the amount of tomatoes you get, an incredible amount. I literally planted 6 tomatoes. It probably cost me $15, and over the last few months I've probably got 50 to 60 kilos worth of tomatoes. And so I'm just going to pick a few of these. I get so many that I literally can't keep up with them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick, we sort of get about a bucket load every week. So I've been giving them away, but what I'm going to do today is make some tomato puree, but more like a pasta sauce. Although we don't use pasta, we use it as a salsa base, that sort of thing. So I'll pick a bucket load of tomatoes and then we'll go inside and we'll show you how we make it up. Yeah, you wouldn't have believed it just looking at half a dozen tomato plants, just how much you can get. But this has got to be 6 or 7 kilos worth of tomatoes. And they're so versatile, you can put them into so many different things. Your stir fries, your curries, your soups, your salsa, just make a tomato sauce. So unbelievable, eh? Okay, awesome. So I've made up these containers of tomato puree, and as you can see in the freezer here, I've made a couple of batches before, so I'm going to end up with probably about 15 to 20 of these by the end of the season. And so that means right through the winter I've got basically tomato base that I can use in my cooking. Yeah.